Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For this video, we are discussing goal setting for 2023. In order to be successful, we need to make the necessary plans. That is why we will be looking at one of the leading industry disruptors whose goals set and plans like no other, the one and only Elon Musk. Are you ready? Let's get started. As we all know, Elon Musk is one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time. From electric cars to space travel, he has made significant advancements in multiple industries. So, what is his secret to success? How does he make plans for his goals for the future? Number 1. Set ambitious targets. The first and foremost thing that Elon Musk does when planning his goals is to set ambitious targets. He always thinks big and sets his sights on achieving something that most people would consider impossible. For example, his vision of colonizing Mars within his lifetime is an ambitious target that seems impossible at first glance. However, Elon believes that with the right approach and hard work, anything is possible. Setting ambitious targets is important because it gives people something to strive for. It creates a sense of purpose and direction that can be lacking in everyday life. When we have a clear goal in mind, we are more likely to work towards it with enthusiasm and dedication. Number 2. Align short-term goals with long-term vision. While setting ambitious targets is essential, it's equally important to align short-term goals with long-term vision. Elon Musk understands this and always ensures that his short-term goals fit into his broader vision. For example, Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy is a short-term goal that fits into Elon's broader vision of reducing carbon emissions and creating a sustainable future. Aligning short-term goals with long-term vision is important because it ensures that everyone is working towards the same goal. It creates a sense of unity and purpose that can be lacking if people are working on separate tasks without a clear direction. Number 3. Practice rapid iteration. Elon Musk is a big proponent of rapid iteration. He believes in testing and iterating quickly, rather than waiting for the perfect solution. This approach allows him to move fast and make progress toward his goals. For example, SpaceX has iterated its rockets rapidly, going from a single-engine rocket to a reusable, multi-engine rocket in just a few years. Practicing rapid iteration is important because it allows people to learn quickly and make progress toward their goals. When we iterate quickly, we can test multiple solutions and find the best one faster. This approach also helps us to avoid getting stuck on one solution and wasting time and resources. Number 4. Take risks. Finally, Elon Musk is not afraid to take risks. He understands that failure is a part of the process and is willing to take bold risks to achieve his goals. This mindset has allowed him to achieve incredible things, from landing rockets upright to building the world's most valuable car company. Taking risks is important because it allows people to push the boundaries of what is possible. When we take risks, we have the potential to achieve something incredible. Of course, taking risks also involves the possibility of failure. However, failure is not something to be feared but rather something to learn from. So, there you have it, guys. Elon Musk plans his goals by setting ambitious targets, aligning short-term goals with a long-term vision, practicing rapid iteration, and taking risks. These are just a few of the reasons why he's such a successful entrepreneur and a true visionary. If there's one thing we can learn from Elon Musk, it's that anything is possible if we set our minds to it. By setting ambitious goals, aligning short-term goals with a long-term vision, practicing rapid iteration, and taking risks, we can achieve incredible things. So, let's all take a page out of Elon's book and start working towards our own ambitious goals. Which of these do you think is most important? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.